Hello everyone. Myself, lecturer Miss Aditi Anil Kushare, Master of Pharmacy in Quality Assurance Techniques from Kekewag Institute of Pharmacy, Chandore, Nasik. Today we are going to discuss about the topic ointment, that is method of preparation from pharmaceutics too. The topics to be covered from this are introduction to ointment as a semi-solid dosage form and preparation of ointments. Let's see the definition of ointments. Ointments are homogeneous, translucent, viscous, semi-solid preparations, most commonly a greasy thick oil, that is oil about 80%, water up to 20%, intended for external application to the skin or mucous membrane. The drug ingredients can be dissolved, emulsified or suspended in the ointment base. Then preparation of ointments. There are total 4 methods. Incorporation method, also called as a trituration method. Second one, that is fusion method. Third, chemical reaction. And fourth, emulsification method. So first one, trituration method. This is a widely used method for extemporaneous preparation of ointments. When the base is soft and medicament is solid, insoluble, then small amount of liquid to incorporated in the base. Advantages: involves mixing as well as size reduction. Procedure: reduce the solid medicament to fine powder. Medicament is mixed with the small amount of base on ointment slab with a stainless steel spatula until a homogeneous product is formed. Then third, add remaining quantities of base with uniform mixing. Then incorporate any liquid ingredient if present, that is mortar and pestle to be used in case of large quantity of liquid. Prepare and dispense 100 gram of sulfur ointment. RX sublime sulfur finely sifted 10 gram, simple ointment 90 gram. Prepare an ointment. Direction: apply the ointment to the affected area as directed. Then this is the flow chart for incorporation method or trituration method. That is size reduction, after that leviation, then mixing with base, then spatulation or trituration, after that mixing base to produce the final weight, and homogenization, again size reduction, and then filling. Then second one, fusion method, suitable when the ointment base contains number of solid ingredients of different melting points. Procedure: ointment base are melted in a decreasing order of their melting point. Highest melting point should be melted first, low melting point next. This avoids the overheating of the substance of the low melting point. Incorporate the medicament slowly to the melted mass. Stir thoroughly until the mass cools down and homogeneous product is formed. Then liquid ingredients or aqueous substance should be heated to the same temperature as the melted bases before addition. If not, wax or solids will cool down quickly and get separated. Precautions: the stirring is done continuously. Homogeneous mass. Vigorous stirring should be avoided to prevent the entrapment of air. Rapid cooling should be avoided to get a uniform product. To remove the dust or foreign particles, strain through muslin cloth. For an example, prepare and dispense 100 gram of citramide ointment. RX: the citramide 1 gram, cytosterol alcohol 10 gram, white soft paraffin 10 gram, liquid paraffin 29 gram, pure water 50 gram. Then procedure: melt the ointment bases in a decreasing order of melting point. Dissolve the citramide in water and heat the solution. Mix the citramide solution to hot molten mass and stir. Then fusion method. The flow chart is great. The waxy base melt using water bath. Then high melting point base first mix, low melting point in it, then melt base together. After that dissolve oil soluble drug, then add the small volume phase in a large volume phase, then cooling under stirring soft mass of 40 degrees Celsius till soft mass will get formed. Then again homogenize, means reduce the particle size, and after that fill it in the container or tubes. Then chemical reaction method. Third one is preparation of some ointment involves chemical reactions. In that example A, iodine ointment, that is iodine free form, and second B, iodine ointment, that is iodine combined form with the ointment base. Ointments containing free iodine. Iodine is slightly soluble in fat and vegetable oils, readily soluble in a potassium iodide solution in water due to the formation of polyiodides KiI2, Ki2I2, Ki3I2. Polyiodides are readily soluble in water, alcohol and glycerin. These solutions may be incorporated with the molten absorption type ointment base. Then ointments B, that is ointments containing combined iodine. In that the fixed oils and many fats obtained from vegetable and animal sources contain the unsaturated constituents. Iodine combines with double bonds, that is CH3 CH2 7 times, CH double bond CH2 7 times, COOH plus I2, that is oleic acid. Then it will give us CH3 CH2 7 times, CHI dot CHI into CH2 7 times, COOH, that is diiodostearic acid. Free iodine is not available, so ointments appear dark greenish black in color, leaves no stain when rubbed into the skin, hence known as non-staining iodine ointment. Then fourth one, emulsification method. Fats, oils and waxes and melted together to a temperature and 70 degrees Celsius. Aqueous solution of the heat stable water soluble compounds is also heated to the same temperature. Aqueous solution is slowly added to the melted base with the continuous stirring until cool. Then emulsifying agent is needed to make a stable emulsion. Water soluble soaps are commonly used as an emulsifier for the semi-solid O/W oil in water emulsions. Combination of triethanolamine stearate soap and cetyl alcohol is used in O/W oil in water emulsion. Beeswax and divalent calcium ions used in water in oil emulsion. Then what we learned from this topic, ointment method of preparation, the learning outcomes are: what is ointment as a semi-solid dosage form, and the preparation of ointments. Thank you.